Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told to construct a quadratic equation whose roots are -3 all over 2 and 7. First thing we need to know is what are the roots of a quadratic equation. The roots of a quadratic equation are the values of x that satisfies the equation. Remember, the value of y in a quadratic equation is always 0. So this means that the roots of a quadratic equation are the values of x when y is equal to 0. So in this question, we're going to construct a quadratic equation whose roots are -3 all over 2 and 7. So let's solve together. Solution. So the roots of a quadratic equation, as I said, are the values of x when y is equal to 0. This means that x is equal to -3 all over 2 or x is equal to 7. But the next thing we are going to do is to move this -3 all over 2 and this 7 to the left side of the equation. When we do that, the minus sign here is going to change to positive. So we have x plus 3 all over 2. When this leaves the right side will be equal to 0. Or x plus 7 moving to the left side will have a negative sign. So we have -7 is equal to 0. So this is a reverse process of solving quadratic equation. So what we normally do when solving quadratic equation, in this particular question, we are doing the opposite of it. Okay, so we have x plus 3 all over 2 is equal to 0, or x minus 7 is equal to 0. Bringing these two equations together, we have x plus 3 all over 2 multiplying x minus 7 all equal to 0. So what we are going to do here is to expand this algebra, or to expand this equation. Okay, so x is going to multiply everything in this bracket, and plus 3 over 2 is going to multiply everything in this bracket. X multiplied by x is going to give us x squared. X multiplied by -7, there's an invisible plus here, so plus multiplied by minus is going to give us minus. X multiplied by 7 is going to give us 7x. Okay, so we are done with x. We move to plus 3 all over 2. So plus 3 all over 2 multiplied by x is going to give us plus 3 all over 2x. Also, plus 3 all over 2 multiplied by -7. Plus multiplied by minus is going to give us minus 3 all over 2 multiplied by 7. This is a numerator. 7 is a numerator having an invisible denominator. So this numerator is going to multiply 7. 3 multiplied by 7 is going to give us 21. And 2 multiplied by the invisible denominator is going to give us 2. The invisible denominator is 1. So we have equal to 0. So we have two denominators of 2. The denominator here is an invisible 1. The denominator here is an invisible 1. In order to eliminate these two denominators, we multiply through by 2. Okay? So we multiply everything here by 2. 2 multiplied by x squared is going to give us 2x squared. 2 multiplied by -7x is going to give us -14x. 2 multiplied by 3 all over 2x. This 2 is going to cancel out this 2, so we have plus 3x minus 2 multiplied by 21 all over 2. 2 is going to cancel out 2, so we have 21 is equal to 0. Okay, so -14x plus 3x is going to give us -11x. So our final answer is 2x squared minus 11x minus 21 is equal to 0. So we have been able to construct a quadratic equation whose roots are -3 all over 2 and 7. So the quadratic equation is 2x squared minus 11x minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the simple answer to this question. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, share with your friends, and follow for more math content. See you in the next video. Bye.